Hi, I want to run a demo on a deployment tool called rsNeatPublish that publishes SQL Server Reporting Services objects to an SSRS report server. The basic premise is the developer creates SSRS objects, for example reports that query, say, shared datasets, data sources, as we have here in the AdventureWorks sample reports solution. So firstly, from the rsNeatPublish website, the download has two installers, rsNeatPublish, which is the deployment publisher tool, and rsNeatPublish.xml generator, which allows the user to generate an XML file that will contain all of the SSRS objects the user would like to publish. The XML file generated will be used as input for rsNeatPublish. So we'll start with opening up rsNeatPublish.xml generator to create the input file that we'll give to rsNeatPublish. You'll see that the tool has a tab for some global settings, as well as a tab for each of the SSRS object types. The interface allows us to start from scratch, or open an existing file. We'll start from scratch. The first thing we need to enter is the URL of the SSRS Publisher web service, which comes with SSRS. By default, it looks something like this, where localhost is the target server name, local 2012 is the target instance name. Then you specify a source, which is where the source SSRS objects reside locally. Next, depending on where you would like the objects to be deployed to, you can specify a root folder if there are multiple applications, an environment folder if there are multiple environments. There are also some flags that can be set to alter certain behaviours. The final stage is to specify the source and target locations for the objects to be deployed. These are specified at either the folder level, file level, or both. If we look at the data sources, we'll enter just one in this example. I'll copy these in and skip ahead. You'll notice typical connection type details have been entered. Some of these options are drop-downs. We'll then specify datasets. The dataset source folder doesn't need to be set because that all resides in the folder, but we will set a datasets target folder. And similarly for reports. We then save the file into the rsNeatPublish folder. Then simply run the rsNeatPublish executable. So now if we browse to the target SSRS Report Manager, click refresh, all objects have been uploaded. And the reports link to datasets, link to data sources, etc. That ends the demo. A couple of things. As I was using Windows 7 here, some of the applications required being run as administrator. And secondly, this is a very simple demo. Much more complicated functionality is available using the tool, including publishing subscriptions, linked reports, and all other report object types. As well, the tool runs with SQL Server 2008, 2008 R2, and 2012. So please feel free to browse the website and download the trial. Thanks for your time.